Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we dive deep into a car that's not just a revival of an automotive icon, but a celebration of timeless design meeting modern engineering. We're talking about the 2025 Karmann Ghia, a car that has captured the essence of its heritage while boldly stepping into the future. So sit back, relax, and let's explore every aspect of this stunning machine. The front of the 2025 Karmann Ghia is a sight to behold. It is unmistakably inspired by the original signature styling, with a low-slung nose that gently slopes downward, giving it a sporty yet graceful appearance. The grille is understated yet elegant, flanked by slim LED headlights that blend seamlessly into the design. These headlights not only provide exceptional visibility but also feature a modern touch with dynamic indicators and daytime running lights. The hood flows effortlessly into the windshield, maintaining a clean and aerodynamic profile. Subtle air intakes on the front bumper add a hint of aggressiveness, reminding you that this isn't just a beautiful car, it's built to perform. Moving along to the side, the silhouette of the 2025 Karmann Ghia is where its design truly shines. The car retains the signature teardrop shape that made the original so iconic, but it's been refined for better proportions and enhanced aerodynamics. The roofline slopes gracefully toward the rear, creating a coupe-like profile that is both timeless and contemporary. The two-tone paint options allow owners to personalize their Karmann Ghia, with contrasting colors accentuating the car's curves. The doors feature subtle character lines that catch the light beautifully, adding depth to the design without overcomplicating it. Frameless windows and a lack of unnecessary ornamentation lend the car a clean and modern look. The 20-inch alloy wheels, with their polished finish, complement the overall aesthetic perfectly, ensuring that the car stands out whether it's parked or in motion. As you walk around to the rear of the car, the attention to detail continues to impress. The slim LED taillights stretch across the width of the car, mirroring the horizontal lines of the front grille and creating a sense of symmetry. These taillights feature dynamic lighting elements, adding a high-tech touch to the classic design. The rear bumper is clean and functional, with dual exhaust outlets integrated seamlessly into the design. A subtle lip spoiler is molded into the trunk lid, enhancing the car's aerodynamics while maintaining its understated elegance. The badging is tasteful and minimal, with the iconic Karmann Ghia script adorning the rear in a way that evokes both nostalgia and pride. Stepping inside the 2025 Karmann Ghia, you're greeted by an interior that balances luxury, simplicity, and modern technology. The cabin is a masterpiece of craftsmanship with high-quality materials used throughout. The dashboard is clean and minimalist, featuring a single digital display that serves as both the instrument cluster and infotainment system. This display is highly customizable, allowing drivers to prioritize the information they need most. The center console is equally sleek, with touch-sensitive controls for climate and media settings. Circular air vents and retro-inspired design elements, like the steering wheel with a classic yet modern design, remind you of the car's heritage. The seats are a highlight of the interior, offering a perfect blend of comfort and support. Upholstered in premium leather with contrast stitching, they exude luxury while providing a snug fit for spirited driving. The front seats are spacious, with ample legroom and headroom, ensuring that drivers and passengers remain comfortable on long journeys. The rear seats, while compact, are functional and provide enough space for short trips or additional storage. Ambient lighting adds to the cabin's premium feel, with customizable colors that let you set the mood to your liking. The 2025 Karmann Ghia is packed with technology designed to make every drive enjoyable and safe. The infotainment system features wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity with your smartphone. A built-in virtual assistant makes it easy to control various functions with voice commands, while the premium sound system delivers an immersive audio experience. Safety features are plentiful, with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system, all coming as standard. These features not only provide peace of mind but also make the Karmann Ghia a joy to drive in any situation. Under the hood, the 2025 Karmann Ghia offers two powertrain options that cater to a wide range of driving preferences. The base model is equipped with a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, producing 250 horsepower and 270 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with a smooth shifting 8-speed automatic transmission, delivering brisk acceleration and excellent fuel efficiency. For those who crave more performance, the hybrid variant combines a 2.5-liter engine with an electric motor, resulting in a combined output of 400 horsepower. This model offers instantaneous torque and impressive speed, making it ideal for spirited driving. The hybrid system also enhances efficiency, ensuring that you can enjoy the car's performance without frequent trips to the gas station. On the road, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is a delight to drive. Its lightweight chassis and well-tuned suspension provide a perfect balance between comfort and agility. The steering is sharp and responsive, giving you confidence whether you're navigating city streets or carving through winding roads. The hybrid model in particular stands out with its instant acceleration and smooth power delivery, making it a joy to drive in any setting. The car's low center of gravity and aerodynamic design further enhance its handling, ensuring that it feels planted and stable even at higher speeds. Pricing for the 2025 Karmann Ghia is competitive, considering the level of craftsmanship and performance it offers. The base model starts at approximately $45,000, making it an accessible option for those seeking a stylish and capable coupe. The hybrid variant, with its enhanced performance and efficiency, is priced at around $60,000. While this may seem steep, the car's unique blend of classic design, modern technology, and exhilarating performance makes it a worthy investment for those who appreciate the finer things in life. In conclusion, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is a car that successfully bridges the gap between past and present. It is a testament to the power of timeless design, proving that classics can be reimagined for the modern era without losing their essence. Whether you're a fan of the original Karmann Ghia or someone discovering this icon for the first time, there's no denying the appeal of this stunning coupe. It's a car that turns heads wherever it goes, offering a driving experience that is both engaging and refined. If there's one suggestion to make, it would be for Volkswagen to consider an all-electric variant in the future, ensuring that this classic continues to evolve with the times. Thank you for joining us on this detailed review of the 2025 Karmann Ghia. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel for more in-depth reviews and automotive content. Let us know in the comments what you think about this modern take on a classic. Is the 2025 Karmann Ghia the perfect blend of heritage and innovation, or is there something more you'd like to see? Until next time, drive safe and take care.